My name is Connor Belair. I'm VP of Engineering and I work for Meridian Specialty Yarn Group Incorporated. Meridian Yarn is a group of specialty textiles put into one facility. This building was built in 1920, and until now we've made several upgrades, but nothing to the scale where we ended up saving this much energy. Like all companies in America, we're facing the battling of wages and pricing of products. The way that we can see ourselves staying competitive in an international market is by decreasing our energy usage. We've started with the Duke Energy incentives. We got a service on our cooling water system on our chiller, and then getting our LEDs done. We also included an air compressor, went from a axial type compressor to a VFD driven compressor. I have seen a huge decrease in time spent on maintenance, especially when it comes to older equipment like compressors or chillers. I think the unexpected benefits are just the positive attitudes. There's a noticeable difference within the facility itself, within the employees and how they interact at work, the work environment, the quality control. They can see better. It is easier to recruit employees, especially when they walk into a building and they see that you are taking care of your buildings. I found that every member that I've worked with in the incentive program has been easy dealing with every one of them. Our business energy advisor's role ended up helping me a lot because of incentives that I didn't know about. I don't think I would have done it by myself if I didn't have the help of Duke Energy and the incentive programs and their team. I wish I went in this program a little bit earlier because I could have saved money a lot longer.